Using an ENB ATM, you now have the ability to deposit that birthday check from your grandparents at your convenience. Just stop by your local ENB community banking office with your check and debit card to make your deposit at any time. Upon arrival at an ENB ATM, insert your card into the machine. Then, enter your PIN and press Enter on the keypad. Click Deposit. Select the account you would like to make the deposit into and choose Checks. Carefully insert your check into the machine. After the machine counts your bills, you'll want to review and confirm the amount displayed. If the amount is correct, you can take your card out and print a receipt. And that's it. Visit your local Ephrata National Bank Community Banking office to try for yourself.